Hello guys, I am from Govgrass Math Hub. Blessings of Sri Krishna. Determinant NCERT 12 Mathematics. I am going to discuss question number 13, miscellaneous exercise, chapter 4, using the properties of determinants. Prove the following question. Det is equal to det. Elements of first row I have written 3a minus a plus b minus a plus c. Elements of second row I have written minus b plus a, 3b minus b plus c. The elements of third row I have written minus c plus a, minus c plus b, 3c equal to 3 dot in bracket a plus b plus c bracket close dot ab plus bc plus ca bracket close. Blessings of Sri Krishna. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution. Solution implied that LHS equal to det. This is the notion of determinant. Elements of first row I shall write 3a minus a plus b minus a plus c. Elements of second row I shall write minus b plus a, 3b minus b plus c. Elements of third row I shall write minus c plus a, minus c plus b, 3c. Here you can see in first row of the determinant b plus c is there. If you add minus a plus minus a comes out to minus 2a, added to 3a comes out to here a. So you will get here a plus b plus c. Like this, if you do the rough work here, 3a added to minus a plus b added to minus a plus c comes out to here this one, this one, this one. So 3a minus 2b plus b plus c you will get. The final result will be this is a minus a plus minus a comes out to here minus 2a, or this is 3a. Here you will get a plus b plus c. This thing you will get. Here I shall use the property by using the property C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. By using the property C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is C1, this is C2, this is C3. The C1 goes to, this means that changes will occur only in the first column. There will be no changes in second column and third column. So here det will become C1 goes to, this means that C1 will be changed only. C1 goes to, this means that here I have written C1 goes to. This means that changes will occur only in the first column C1. there will be no changes in second column and third column. Second column and third column will be written as it is. So here you will get minus a plus b minus a plus c. Here write 3b, here minus b plus c. Here write minus c plus b. Here write 3c. Minus a plus b, 3b minus c plus b. Here minus a plus c minus b plus c, 3c I have written. C1 go to, this means that changes will occur only in the first column. Let us see what changes will occur. C1 go to C1 plus C2 plus C3. If you add C1 plus C2 plus C3, that will become, here write 3a. Here write 3a added to minus a plus b added to minus a plus c. Three a plus minus a plus b I have written, minus a plus c I have written. So here I shall write minus b plus a plus 3b minus b plus c. Here write minus c plus a minus c plus b plus 3c. Here that is equal to. So what we will do next? Next I shall write, just simplify this one, minus a plus b minus a plus c plus 3a comes out to, here you can see minus a or minus a. If you add minus a comes out to here minus 2a. 3a minus 2a comes out to here a. So here you will get a plus b plus c. Also here you can see 3b minus b comes out to here. Minus b comes out here minus 2b. 3b minus 2b comes out. 3b minus 2b comes out to here b only. You will get here a plus b plus c. This one you will get. And third row will become also a plus b plus c. Here a plus b you have got. Minus c comes out to here minus 2c. Minus 2c plus 3c comes out to here only c. Plus c I have written. A plus b plus c I have written. Here a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c. Just simplify this one, you will get this one. Here write second column, minus a plus b, 3b minus c plus b. And here write third column, minus a plus c minus b plus c, 3c. So here you can see in first column a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c is there. So what to do here? By taking, here I shall write by taking out a plus b plus c as common from C1 by taking out A plus B plus C as common from C1. So we will get that as A plus B plus C has gone into as a common. So we will get 1 minus A plus B minus A plus C. Here we will get 1 3B minus B plus C. Here we will get 1 minus C plus B 3C. This thing you will get. Now what we will do next? Next I shall write that equal to A plus B plus C, right? 1 elements of first row I shall write 1 minus A plus B minus A plus C. Elements of second row I shall write 1 3B minus B plus C. Elements of third row I shall write 1 minus C plus B 3C I shall write. What we will do next? Here you can see this is R1, this is R2, this is R3. So here I shall use the property. If you use the property 1 minus 1, R1 minus R2, R1 minus R2, at this place you will get here 0. And also R2 minus R3, at this place you will get as 0. So this property I shall use here. So here use the property using the properties R1 goes to R1 minus R2 and R2 goes to R2 minus R3. This property I shall use. Use the property R1 goes to R1 minus R2 and R2 goes to R2 minus R3. So here write and. So this will become that is equal to in bracket A plus B plus C. Use property, and using property R1 goes to R1 minus R2. So here I have written R1 goes to. This means that changes will occur only in the first row. So here it will become 1 minus 1 comes out to here 0. Here I shall write minus A plus B minus 3B. Minus A plus B minus 3B I shall write. Here write minus A plus C minus A plus C plus B minus C. It will become. And here you will get R2 goes to R2 minus R3. 1 minus 1 comes out here 0, and R2 goes to R2 minus R3, the 3B plus C minus B comes out to be 3B plus C minus B comes out to be. Here I shall write minus B plus C minus 3C. Here write elements of third row 1 minus C plus B. Here I 3C. Just simplify this one. Here write A plus B plus C. Here 0 it will come, and here you will get minus A minus 2B. Minus A minus 2B you will get, and here you will get this one will be cancelled out. You will get here minus A plus B you will get, and here you will get 0 2B plus C, 3B minus B. 3B minus B comes out to here 2B plus C you will get, and here you will get minus B minus 2C minus B minus 2C you will get. Here write 1 minus C plus B 3C you will write. This thing you will get. Now what will do next? Next I shall write, here you can see in first column 0 0 is there. The first column has the maximum number of zeros, that is 2 zeros. That's why this date is going to be expanded along first column. So here I shall write expanding determinant along C1. Expanding determinant along C1, you will get that equal to A plus B plus C, and also here plus minus plus. So here write plus 1. Now get the minor of plus 1. Plus 1 is there in third row and first column. Third row and first column will be hidden. You will get the minor of plus 1 as minus A minus 2B minus A plus B. Here write 2B plus C minus B minus 2C. Minus A minus 2B minus A plus B, 2B plus C minus B minus 2C. This thing you will get. So here I shall write date equal to A plus B plus C. Here do the operation here. Minus A minus 2B minus B minus 2C minus A plus B 2B plus C close. You will get that equal to A plus B plus C, curly bracket open, minus A will multiply to minus B, comes out to here AB, and minus 2B will multiply to minus B, comes out to here plus 2B square you will get. Here minus A will multiply to minus 2C, you will get here 2AC. You will get here 2AC. And here you will get minus 2B will multiply to minus 2C, you will get here 4BC. This thing you will get. And here minus I shall write, in bracket I shall write minus A will multiply to plus 2B. You will get here minus 2BAB minus 2AB. And here plus B will multiply to plus 2B. You will get here plus 2B square. And again minus A will multiply to plus C. You will get here minus CA. And here you will get BC. Minus A will multiply to plus 2B. So you will get here minus 2AB, minus 2AB you will get, plus 2B square you will get, minus CA plus BC will get. Do the operation here. Here I shall write that equal to A plus B plus C in bracket AB plus 2B square plus 2AC plus 4BC plus minus will enter inside this bracket. Bracket will be broken. We will get here plus 2AB minus 2B square plus 2CA minus BC. This one plus 2B square minus 2B square will get cancelled, and here you will get AB plus 2AB, you will get here 3AB, and here AC 2AC plus AC will get here 3AC, and here 4BC minus BC comes out here plus 3BC. So here you will get that equal to A plus B plus C. The here you will get AB will be added to 2AB. So comes out to here 3AB. And plus 2AC will be added to plus AC. You will get here 3AC. And here plus 4BC minus BC comes out to here 3BC. Now last I shall write. Here you can see 3AB plus 3AC plus 3BC. If you take 3 as a common, in bracket it will be AB plus BC plus CA you will get. So here take 3 as a common. write here 3. In bracket it will become a plus b plus c. Another bracket you will get ab plus bc plus ca. That is equal to 3 dot in bracket a plus b plus c bracket close dot ab plus bc plus ca you have got. So here you have got LHS equal to RHS. I can write very well. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 13. Miscellaneous exercise chapter 4. Determinant in CRT 12 mathematics. Blessings of Sri Krishna. Jai Jai Sri Krishna.